Hello guys, today we are going on a little walk around the Vintgar. Currently we are walking to this rivers or Vintgar that has a very nice side by it. It's really hot because I think in the evening there will be a storm, so it's quite hot right now. But we wanted to go do something nice for ourselves, a little hike. Miha is already all the way in front of me, but yeah, I hope we find it very soon and we will see how it will look. Miha is already on this little bridge. I think we saw this in one of the little vlogs that we watch about it. So yeah, we are going into a reading zone in the nature. It's so cool. Oh, let's see. It's so quiet and peaceful. Oh. And the river goes there. And we have these rocks formations. So here, I was thinking that we should bring our own book, but they have made books for kids and stuff. It's so cool. Oh, such an amazing idea. Oh. We have finally come to the riverside. It's very cold water, Mika says. I will go try it too, but it's quite slippery, so need to be careful. I didn't wear the smart shoes for this hike, if you ask me. Here is a little benches and things, and then you have a sandy little beach for going into the water, and then we have little tombs around there, so it's pretty nice. And now we are going to that little cottage, I think. So let's see where we are headed. Miha has found the swing and he's playing like always. I think this will like break or something. Okay, let's try push him a little bit. So here is like the arrow shooting like area, so if you are into that you can definitely try that. On another swing, like a little baby that he is. I think something will definitely break here today. It's like a little cottage if you have like a rainy day and you can be in here. I think this is like a old building that was meant for like making things. And
breach of friendship. Snimam te. Pazi da ne padeš.
so we came to this like space, like, and I don't think we need to go further. Like it was the sign to go here, but now we don't see anything. Sadly, we don't have like internet connection, so I think we will end here, right? I think we should end here. What do you think?
Yes.
And let's go back. And yeah, it was nice, right?
Yes, it was nice.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.